Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So today we have a haul and I believe it's all Dollar Tree, so I'm really excited, guys. Let's jump right into the video. It's not a big haul, but I'm going to show you what I got. So I went into the Dollar Tree the other day and I did get some florals, so maybe I should get all the florals out of the way first. It's just that they're all divided in all the bags, so we'll just kind of go bag by bag. So I went in there and I picked up, these are called dahlias, and they do have burlap in them, and I'm absolutely loving them. So I got 3 in this bag. I'm not really sure exactly how many florals I got, but I love the neutral color, and so that's what I got. So of course when I saw the buffalo check ribbon, guys, I'm absolutely loving this color. So I grabbed 4. I probably should have grabbed more because Dollar Tree doesn't have them anymore, and I'm not really sure. Let me just show you one up close again. So this is what the front looks like, and this is, so usually when their stuff is gone, guys, it's usually all gone. So I grabbed 4, thank goodness. I grabbed that. And the ornaments. Okay, so if we get into the ornaments, this is what they call ornaments. So this is the maple leaf, and it comes in a 5-pack. So I got one of those. Then we have the pumpkins. And then the burlap. So I like this dark color. So I got, there are 5, yeah, it's a 5-pack of the maple leaf. And I'm not really sure what this leaf is, you know, but I got a 5-pack of that one. So we move on to this one, a little bit more florals. I don't know why she divided all the florals up like that, but so these look like sunflowers, and these have the little tiny sunflower. I don't know. It says Gerber daisies. Okay, so these are Gerber daisies. Okay, and they do have that burlap, which I'm really loving that. So I can't wait to craft with them. And then these are the sunflowers in the neutral color. And they also have burlap, so I'm really liking that. So I got 2 bunches of those, and I don't know, they look they don't look as fluffy as before, but I love these colors. So we got 2 of those. Then when I was going by the stickers, guys, look at this. These are succulents. Anyway, this is really pretty. I saw them and I thought this would be great to craft with. So I got one of these. And I'm absolutely loving the white, guys, so you know that my pumpkins, I got them in that felt white. These are absolutely beautiful, so we got 2 of those. Okay. Now, I went into the crafters area. You know, I can't leave the store unless I go to the crafters section. But before I do that, I have been looking for months for the felt letters. Well, I found 1 package out of all the stores I go to. I found 1 package. Well, I couldn't grab this fast enough, guys, because I wanted to do some DIYs with it. Everything I see is numbers, if they even have them at all now. So I was lucky. I got 1 pack in the black, and that's what that looks like. So I needed the floral foam to do some arrangements. And then I stock up on their pearls, guys. This is something I do because, you know, they don't have it there all the time. So when I see it, I grab it. So let's just get to this first. So the black grosgrain ribbon, okay, that's what the label says. And here is the ribbon. Got one of those. And I got, now the pearls come in 3 sizes, but they only have 2 in that store. So this one is the 12 millimeter. So I got 3 packs of the 12 millimeter pearls, and then I got 3 packs of the 10. And that's what these look like. Because when they're out, those are hard to come, they don't come back very quickly. And then I also love these. Now these are baby sunflowers. See, that's what the label, it just says sunflowers on the label, but they're baby sunflowers. Aren't they pretty? They are so pretty, guys. So I love decorating with these. So these are my fall colors. And I'm also loving that green. Now I am going to be doing an arrangement, and I do not do Halloween decor, okay? But it seems like Halloween, that's when you can find the black roses. So I'll be pulling this off for a DIY and these creepy spiders. I know a lot of people love Halloween, and that's perfectly fine. I just don't. So I grabbed the black roses, so I'll be taking those things out because I want to do a black and white arrangement. And so I needed the black roses. So I think I got one of these. Nope, I got two. So I got 2 bunches of the black roses for my DIY. And then I guess that we're getting rid of their peonies. Now, first of all, the tall flowers are very hard to find there. Okay? The tall. And I love doing tall, grand arrangements, okay? So when I saw them, so I got one. So they are peony, just so you can see the label. And this is what they look like. Aren't they beautiful, guys? This is an absolutely beautiful flower. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So, you know, I swiped those up because between 5 and 8 is what I use for an arrangement, along with other flowers. And then, of course, I grabbed one of these. I wanted to put one of these in my kitchen. I need to put the grips in the back, so maybe we'll do that together. And so this is the one that I grabbed. I was going to grab the one with the red truck, but I don't think I saw that at the Dollar Tree I was in. Anyway, guys, this is what they have, one of the mats that they have now there. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Enjoyed the haul. I know it was a small one, but I thought it was a really good one. So click like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a video. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.